Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to split video clips in the Canva video editor without having any video editing skills. So let us jump into this. Head over to Canva and as you can see I prepared a video clip like that for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do is simply move your playhead where you see the video track here at the bottom or your timeline to the moment where you'd like to place the splitting or split your video in 2 or more pieces. So let me, for example, split it at the 7-second mark here. And basically what you want to do is click on that button here at the top, split page above your video, just like that. And that is going to split your video in 2 halves. Now you can move your second part, for example, here on your timeline, just like that. And for example, insert another video between these 2 parts, or simply edit these 2 or more parts of your video, or keep splitting your video in even more pieces. And that's basically it, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you later.